Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnificalcorecraft YouTube channel. We are working on another project. I just want to remind you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. So as we have already joined, we have two here and we have two on this side. You make another square knot. Make a square knot like that. Then you come to this side, you have these two left here. You pick the next two, you join it again. Then the last square knot, the two in the middle on either side, you make a square knot. So you can see what we have. As we continue with our pattern, I told us previously that we are going to continue introducing this pattern until we get to the desired length. Now I've gotten to the desired length of the bag. I want it to be just from the crown here to the tip here. I want it to be just 9 inches before I start closing up. So if you look at it now, we have it already. You can see it. We have it as 9 inches. That is the length of the bag. So now here you're going to do what we've done previously. You have your 8 ropes. You pick this as your lead cord. You roll this over twice. So when we get to the end here, we turn it around. We do the same thing. Each of the ropes, you do it twice. So you can see we have it all on a straight line like that. So our bag is nearing completion. You can see it. We are almost done. So we have our desired length now, the 9 inches. So the next thing you are going to do now is to end it with alternative square knot. We are going to make so many square knots. So you are going to start like we did with others. You pick 2 from either side. Pick 2 from either side. You join with a square knot this way. So I've done that. You come to this other place. Everywhere you have opening, you join with a square knot. You come here, you join it with a square knot. I've secured it that way. You come to this side, you pick 2, you join it with a square knot. That's how we're going to move round. You come to this side, you join with another square knot. Another square knot. So when we have done this all round, then we continue. You are going to pick this with these 2 here to make another square knot. Then you pick these 2 here with this, you make your square knots. You can see what I've done. When you are done, you pick these 2 with the 2 here. You are going to the next step of the square knot. That's the second step. So this is how we are going to continue with alternative square knot. You make another one. So you can see what I'm having now. This is how you are going to continue. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the time we make it 5 round like that, we are already making the base for the bag. So this is how we are going to continue.